Hello students, this video is about Unit 8, intermediate level. In Unit 8 we studied the conditional sentences or if clauses. If indicates a condition, and in English there are 5 possible if clauses. I'm going to give a video class about each of these cases. Okay, the first one we have here is what we call, and it's really zero, it's condition 0. You will understand why it's called 0. So we have if express a condition, okay, and here we have a verb tense. The verb tense we use here is present tense, and on there are always 2 sentences. One sentence in present tense and the other in present tense as well. I can start my sentence by if, or I can present a sentence in present tense and express my condition in the middle. But the result is the same. If you begin with if, or if you put in the middle, the condition is expressed anyway. And of course here is going to be present tense. It is even possible to use an imperative verb. Look, if you dare, okay, so, but look in a certain way, express a verb in the present form, okay? Now, when do we use the condition 0? The condition 0, it expresses a condition that never changes. It refers to facts. Okay, let's be more clear. Let's suppose that you are allergic to milk, okay? So obviously, if, and here's the condition, if you drink milk, you will have an allergical effect, okay? So there is a button on the wall. If I press the button, the bell rings. All these 2 sentences, okay, they refer to facts. The button, what's the function of the button? The ring bells, okay? Allergy. Allergy, it's a reaction. If you drink the milk, you have an allergical reaction, okay? So it is, this never changes, is always like that. Do you understand? Now, let's have here an example. Okay. So it's always about facts. They never change. It's not very good to make conditions talking about people, because people are changeable. Okay? They have different opinions, okay? So I'm going to give the example of the button for you to take note. If you press that button, a bell rings. Okay, so again we have if to gives the condition, and we have the verb in present form, comma indicating a second action because it's a condition. You make a condition and this condition has a result. The result in condition 0 is unchangeable. It's always the same. It's talking about fact. A bell rings. Okay? So you always have 2 sentences. The condition has a result. In the 0 if, the result is unchangeable because we are talking about a fact, okay? So if you press that button, a bell rings, okay? Another thing that is pretty good, it's a regulation. When you have a street and you are a pedestrian and you are going to cross the street, walk across, it says, if the red light is on, don't cross, okay? Because you're going to be run over by a car, okay? So I'm going to write this one, and I'm going to start the other way around. So don't, let me write in black. Don't cross the street if the light is red for pedestrians. Okay? All right. So here is if connecting the two sentences. So if express the condition. If the light is present red for pedestrians, don't cross the street. It's a regulation. It's a fact. Okay? There it is. It's a regulation. It's a fact. So I hope you understand. You have to memorize. So it's not that simple. When you want to say a condition in English, you need to verify what kind of condition I want to express. So you can't use any verb tense you wish. Hey, I didn't make up the rules here. I'm just passing on, okay? So relax because more conditions are coming. All right? And that's it.